The ECC, Problem Resolution. The problem with using batteries as a source of energy is that at some point the batteries must be recharged. It is at this point that interruptions in power delivery can occur. The ECC solves this problem with patented proprietary technology that manages the discharging and charging of batteries. The ECC uses multiple banks of batteries combined with most existing forms of regenerative power to solve this problem. That's where the ECC Energy Command Center steps in. The ECC can detect and utilize power at its inputs from the grid, generators, solar panels, wind turbines, and etc. to charge high-capacity lithium iron phosphate batteries. The ECC, using a minimum of 2 battery banks which can be expanded based upon need, then stores the energy into the battery banks. The ECC uses 1 bank of batteries at a time to supply power to the load and then switches the battery banks seamlessly at user-defined limits. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The battery bank that supplies power for the load is deemed to be online. The battery that is offline is either being charged or awaiting rotation to online use. The ECC manages this automatically by measuring the charge state of the offline battery bank and then initiates a charge cycle using any of the regenerative power sources available, including remote starting of a generator to power a 30, 50, or 100 amp onboard charger. The ECC has LED indicators on its housing that shows the status of each battery bank as either online or offline. The ECC is controlled using a proprietary software application which can be accessed via this tablet. The application provides even more specific details of operation and allows for advanced setup and control over the system. The ECC manages these battery management tasks while sending power to its end use. The end use can be whatever requires energy: a house, cabin, RV, military field operation, and disaster relief. Katlego Systems, powering the future, off the grid and beyond.